Have you ever wanted to improve your coding skills, or to learn a new language, or a library, or a framework, but you had no idea which application to build? Well, for that I created the App Ideas repository. Here you can find a collection of over 80 project ideas. We have a notes application, quiz application, receipt application, all sorts of ideas for applications. Also, the applications are categorized in 3 tiers. We have beginner projects, we have intermediate projects, and we have advanced projects. And on top of that, each of the project has a list of user stories, of bonus features, useful links and resources, and also example projects. So let's see this quiz app. You can see a description, what it should do. You can see the user stories, exactly what you have to implement. Some bonus features which will help to bring your application to a new level. And also you can see some examples here. Let's see one example of a quiz app built with React. Look at that. So this is something you can build to play around with your coding skills. You can test out a new library or framework or language or whatever you want. Also, the repository is open source, so you can add your own ideas, you can add your own examples. So if you complete one of the projects, make sure that you open a PR and you add in a link to your application. Also, if this is not enough for you, I created the 100 Days 100 Projects challenge. And in that, I created 100 projects over the course of 100 days. That's the name of the project. And you can see here in the link, I'm going to put it in the description below, all the projects that I built over the course of 100 days. They are not very big projects, but you can test your skills and improve your skills on specific niches. Like, for example, if you want to do a team toggler, or infinite scrolling, or all kind of animations and functionalities in JavaScript. Alright, so you have more than 180 ideas for projects now. You have no excuses now on building your next application. If you find this GitHub repository helpful, make sure you give it a star. And as I said, you can also contribute to this open source project. That's it for this video. See you in the next one. Bye.